All right, guys, welcome back to Home on the Hitch. We are at the 2022 show in Tampa. We're trying to look at some of the more entry-level travel trailers and coaches and things like that. So what we're doing right now is looking at these Grand Design Imagine XLS models. And they tend to have a lot of bang for their buck if you're looking just for an entry-level trailer to get into RVing. So stick around. We're going to look at this model and see what you think. Home on the Hitch. All right, guys, so this is the 23 BHE by Grand Design 2022 model. $37,995 is the show price. Laminated sidewalls, a little fiberglass front laminated panel there with the texture underneath. Power tongue jack, single battery, and dual 20-pound propane tanks. Looking at the numbers, we're going to have, let's see, cargo capacity is 1,237 pounds. Gross vehicle weight rating, 6,995 pounds. Open up this pass-through storage. It's the same as the ones we've seen in the past with the Grand Design Imagines. We've got the wet bay here, battery hookup, everything is here. It's not separated off from the storage compartment, but usually indicates this size or price range. You're not going to find that. It is equipped with a 25 amp MPPT solar charge controller, and the floor's finished off, so that's pretty nice. Baggage doors are thin, but again, in this kind of class of coach, you're not going to find anything super thick. Swintech slide here. These are Goodyear Endurance tires that Grand Design is putting on these coaches, and that is good to see. Standard equalizer, black tank flush, and all your valves and drain. Your 30 amp power connections in the back there with your ladder for a walk-on roof. Looks like your water heater and furnace in the back. Standard square tube bumper. Solera power awning across the entire front. Look, I haven't seen that before. This is a long awning. It's got a support.
Oh, wow, that's great.
Middle. So that's nice. Looks like Scott, what do you got there?
This is a spray port.
Yeah, spray port.
Quick connect spray port.
Cool. Looks like you got to pull out stuff for your kitchen and refrigerator. Nice. Comes with an extra screw. There's another nice cable for everything for your TV, and freshwater fill location is right there. Standard aluminum steps, the standard RV door. Again, this is the 23 BHE Arctic Installation 4-season protection. So I guess this is a 4-season rated camper. Come in, it's like you got your fuses and everything on the floor down there. And there's mail. Got your control panel. Da-da-da. Nice cabinets. So Grand Design is really, I think, trying to take these smaller, spaces and make them more livable.
And I think that they've really done that in this coach, because the moment you walk in, you have your control panel, you have a place to kick your shoes.
And you know what? That would usually probably be wasted space or something like that right here in the doorway. But you've got a place you can just put all your shoes, because that's
that's ideal in a camper situation.
All right.
So you have a front bedroom that has a north-south bed. Yep. Again, with the cabinets over the bed and to the sides, you have large hanging wardrobe. Yeah. You have spaces on either side of the bed for your CPAP.
CPAPs for your
charging your phone.
Nighttime fire pilots. Talk to me, Goose. Oh yeah.
You have hanging closets, right?
Lots of drawer space. Again, not the best quality drawers. The hardware looks pretty good. These are not super. They're wood. This is plywood. It's not expensive plywood, but it's better than some. Looks like they got blackout shades. They work great. No, just thermostat is right there on the inside of the bedroom wall.
which is nice because this is a bunkhouse, so you can keep the kids' fingers off the thermostat.
Right. No touchy kids.
No touchy. So you have ample counter space, deep farm style sink, large cabinet underneath the sink, little shorty cabinet there for your pots or for your pans.
Your pot and your pans.
Your pot and your pans.
Yeah.
Your microwave, a 3-burner stove.
Tweebana.
And again with the left-hand opening refrigerator.
Bunch of lefties, man. We're gonna have to talk to Grand Design about this. I don't know why it's opening up away from the kitchen.
Right. That really makes no sense to me. You have a very nice deep cabinet space here that would be great for your canned goods. And again, the drawers are a little
flimsy, but
so
this
you
is
need to be careful about what you put in the drawers.
put in there. But for the price and everything you're getting,
it's
good.
wonderful.
Yep.
So you have a little bit of overhead space here above the dinette.
Baggage compartment.
The dinette does fold down and make into another bed.
It's got a nice sized chairs too.
There is storage space underneath
Wow,
this
amazing!
side of the dinette.
This side has the shoe storage underneath.
Right, so this is going to be great for your kids.
Get up there.
Even full-size children will fit up here.
Kids. And then
it has a privacy curtain with a window in each one.
And it looks like there's a small kid place under there.
This is
the bathroom.
a nice size bathroom.
It is a nice size
for this small camper. I do love that they put a towel rack on the door.
Da, 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 da.
That is very
That's
helpful.
a win, Grand
Very
Design.
helpful. You have a porcelain toilet, and then these super deep cubbies on the side of the shower, which is nice to have the space, but it's also a little impractical because you can't reach all the way back there.
Yeah.
It has a decent sized shower that Thomas would be able to fit into.
Yeah, I could look out the skylight, but I mean, it's got plenty of space and room in it, so I wouldn't have a problem.
No, but you can also shower with a view.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, look, neighbors. Look.
So you do have a privacy shade.
Yeah.
You have a little slide out shower curtain there.
I don't see any toilet paper holder.
Well, let's see. Sometimes they hide them inside.
Yeah, that'd be a great place.
And no, there is not one.
You'd be knocking your knees trying to get it. All right.
But again, this is an entry-level trailer, so you're not going to find some of the little nuances that.
But I tell you, again, so for the money that you're paying, and this amount of space that you get, the amenities that these trailers do have, it's pretty awesome. So again, if you're looking for something that's a smaller, more compact, cost-efficient option to get into, then these are not too bad. Like I said, the cabinets are not top-notch, but they're pretty good. They're better than the cabinets we had in our first rig, I believe.
Right. This is a great camper for a small family, and you can bring your kid and their friend, it's a way to get out there and get on the road.
It says Arctic insulation, 4-season, and it probably will hold up temperature-wise. It's not going to hold up for full-time living. This is not a full-time living coach, but if you're looking for something to take out on the weekends in the $30,000 to $40,000 price range, then one of these is going to fit your bill. All right, so that's going to do it. Make sure you subscribe. Do all the things we need you to like, subscribe, comment, and keeps us going here at the 2022 RV show in Tampa. And that's going to do it for this one. Until next time, guys, take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count. We'll see you next time, guys.